What if I told you that right now, something built in the 1970s is still alive, still talking from over 24 billion kilometers away? This is not science fiction. This is the story of NASA's most distant spacecraft and the incredible moment when it suddenly went silent. But even more unbelievable, NASA brought it back. This is the story of the interstellar rescue mission, a fix so precise, so delicate, it had to work on the first try across billions of kilometers. In 1977, NASA launched a mission that would outlive generations, Voyager 1. Its original mission explored Jupiter and Saturn, and it did that brilliantly, capturing stunning images of storms, rings, and moons we had never seen before. But then, something extraordinary happened. Instead of shutting down, Voyager kept going, past Saturn, past Pluto, and eventually beyond the boundary of our solar system. Today, Voyager 1 is humanity's most distant object, traveling through interstellar space. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the invisible boundary where the sun's influence ends. Beyond this point lies interstellar space. No spacecraft had ever gone this far. Imagine this. Signals from Voyager take over 22 hours just to reach Earth. That means every command NASA sends takes nearly a full day just to arrive. There is no joystick, no real-time control, only patience, precision, and trust. Then, in 2023, something went wrong. Voyager 1 was still transmitting, but the data it sent back made no sense. Gibberish, corrupted signals, unusable information. It was like receiving a message from across the universe in a language no one could understand. NASA engineers faced a terrifying possibility. After nearly 50 years, Voyager might be lost. The problem wasn't simple. Voyager uses a computer system less powerful than a modern calculator. Engineers discovered that a key system, the flight data subsystem, had stopped working properly. Even worse, a portion of its memory had become corrupted. And here's the challenge. You can't just reboot a spacecraft that's 24 billion kilometers away. You can't open it. You can't repair it physically. Everything had to be done remotely. NASA engineers came up with a daring plan. They would rewrite the spacecraft's code from Earth. But there was a catch. The corrupted memory couldn't be fixed directly. So they did something ingenious. They moved critical code to a different working part of memory. Think about that. They were reprogramming a nearly 50-year-old computer in deep space with a 22-hour delay. One wrong command, and Voyager could be gone forever. After sending the command, there was nothing to do but wait. 22 hours for the signal to arrive, and another 22 hours for Voyager's response to return. Nearly 2 full days of silence. No confirmation, no feedback, just hope. Then, it happened. A signal came back, clean, readable, perfect. Voyager was alive again, after billions of kilometers, after decades in space, after a near-fatal failure. NASA had pulled off one of the most incredible repairs in history. Voyager 1 isn't just a spacecraft. It carries the golden record, a message from Earth to the cosmos, music, voices, sounds of our world. It represents humanity's curiosity, our desire to explore, and our refusal to give up. Right now, Voyager 1 continues its journey into the unknown. And somewhere, in the darkness between stars, a tiny signal still whispers back to Earth, a reminder that even across 24 billion kilometers, human ingenuity still reaches. If you enjoyed this story of science, space, and human persistence, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Because out there, the universe still has stories left to tell.